Welcome to Houselux Estate, your premier destination for smart investment strategies. Our channel is a treasure trove of insights, tips, and strategies designed to empower you with the knowledge to create lucrative passive income streams. We believe in the potential of every individual to achieve financial freedom, and we're here to guide you on that journey. At Houselux Estate, we're all about leveraging the power of today's digital marketplaces, and there's no platform more influential in the online retail world than Amazon. We strive to demystify the process of making money on this platform by offering clear, actionable strategies that you can apply today. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking to diversify your income streams or a beginner just starting out on your investment journey, you're in the right place. Prepare to have your perspective on online retail revolutionized. Today's topic is going to change the way you view online retail giant Amazon. Before we delve into Amazon, let's quickly talk about passive income. Picture this. You're lounging on a beach, sipping a cool drink, and your bank account keeps growing. That's the magic of passive income. It's income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain, creating a continuous cash flow without demanding your constant attention. It's like having a golden goose that lays eggs while you sleep. The beauty of passive income is that it can lead to financial freedom. Instead of trading your time for money, your money works for you. It's a crucial part of building wealth and securing your financial future. Imagine being able to pursue your passions or spend more time with loved ones without worrying about your next paycheck. There are numerous ways to generate passive income, but one of the most effective methods is through Amazon. So are you ready to discover how to harness the power of Amazon for passive income? Amazon isn't just for shopping. It's a goldmine for those seeking passive income. Let's take a moment to reflect on the sheer magnitude of Amazon. It's not just a marketplace. It's a global phenomenon that's revolutionizing the way we buy and sell. This e-commerce giant has an enormous customer base, reaching hundreds of millions of people across the globe. What does this mean for you? It means that with Amazon, you have an audience that's almost incomprehensibly vast at your fingertips. But why does this make Amazon an excellent platform for passive income? Firstly, Amazon's dominance in the e-commerce sector is unparalleled. It's the go-to marketplace for millions of customers, making it an ideal platform for those looking to generate income without the need for a physical store or even a website of their own. Secondly, Amazon's infrastructure is designed to make selling easy. From inventory management to shipping and customer service, Amazon has it all covered. This means you can focus on what you do best, choosing and marketing your products. Finally, Amazon's reputation for trust and reliability means customers are more likely to make purchases. This trust is a critical factor in converting browsing into buying, which in turn translates into passive income for you. But it's not just about selling products. Amazon offers a multitude of ways to earn passive income. From becoming an Amazon affiliate, where you earn commissions on products sold through your links, to self-publishing your own books on Kindle, or even renting out your property on Amazon's real estate platform, there's a myriad of opportunities waiting to be discovered. So why not leverage the power of Amazon to create a stream of passive income? With its impressive reach, robust infrastructure, and trusted reputation, Amazon offers an unparalleled opportunity to those willing to tap into its potential. So how exactly can you tap into Amazon's potential? Let's explore. Generating passive income on Amazon isn't rocket science. You just need the right strategy. Let's break down the process into easy steps and discuss methods such as affiliate marketing, selling products, self-publishing, and Amazon FBA. We'll delve into how each method works along with their pros and cons. First, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a process where you promote Amazon products on your website or social media platforms. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The pros? Well, you don't need to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. The cons? It might take some time to build a significant amount of traffic to your site or platform. Next up is selling products. This can be done through retail arbitrage or private labeling. In retail arbitrage, you buy products at a low price and resell them on Amazon at a higher price. The pros of this method are that it's easy to start and requires minimal investment. However, the downside is that it can be time-consuming to find profitable products. Private labeling, on the other hand, involves selling your own branded products. You find a manufacturer, create your brand, and list your products on Amazon. The upside? You have control over your brand and can scale your business. The downside? It requires a significant initial investment, and there's the risk of inventory not selling. Thirdly, there's self-publishing. If you're a writer or aspire to be one, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, can be a great avenue for passive income. You write a book, publish it on KDP, and earn royalties for every sale. The pros include creative control and high royalty rates. The cons? Writing a book is no small feat, and it might take time to build a readership. Finally, we have Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon. You send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers, and they take care of storage, packaging, and shipping. You just focus on selling. The pros of this method are that it's scalable and you can leverage Amazon's vast customer base. The cons? There are storage and fulfillment fees, and dealing with returns can be a hassle. All these methods have their own unique advantages and challenges. It's about finding what works best for you. Maybe you have a knack for finding bargains and would excel at retail arbitrage. Perhaps you have a great product idea and private labeling is the way to go. Or maybe you've got a story to tell and self-publishing is your path. Remember, patience and consistency are key in this journey. It's not about instant riches, but building a sustainable passive income stream. It takes time to learn the ropes, build your brand, or cultivate an audience. But with determination and the right strategy, anyone can harness the power of Amazon to create passive income. So, get started today. Choose a method that suits your skills and interests. Learn as much as you can. Test, learn, and pivot as necessary. Over time, you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. Remember, patience and consistency are key in this journey. Let's quickly recap everything we've covered today. We started off by discussing the concept of passive income, which is essentially money you earn without actively working for it, a financial freedom that everyone dreams of. Then, we delved into the vast potential of Amazon, a platform with millions of active users, making it a goldmine for entrepreneurs looking to generate passive income. We then walked you through the step-by-step process of setting up your own Amazon business. From identifying a profitable niche, sourcing products, optimizing your listings for visibility and conversions, to managing customer service and reviews. Remember, the key is to automate as much of the process as possible to truly make it a source of passive income. And the best part is, you don't need a huge upfront investment to get started. With a bit of research, dedication, and patience, you can turn Amazon into a significant income stream. With these strategies, you're now well equipped to harness the power of Amazon for passive income. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom. We've explored the power of Amazon, the importance of passive income, and the steps to launch your own income-generating venture on this remarkable platform. It's a journey that requires patience, consistency, and the will to take charge of your financial destiny. Remember, the road to passive income isn't a sprint, but a marathon. It's about building, growing, and nurturing your Amazon business, one step at a time. It's about staying committed even when the going gets tough. It's about believing in the power of your dreams and the strength of your determination. So why wait? Start your Amazon journey today. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and most importantly, keep moving forward. The path to financial freedom is yours to tread. Don't forget to subscribe to Houselux Estate for more insightful content. Until next time, take control of your financial future.